Now, as we said before, board games are not just entertainment, but they are also effective learning tools where through board games, children can learn about critical thinking, teamwork, as well as problem solving. Now, based on the video just now, I mean, it brings back so much memories,
I know,
Siska.
those classic board
Yeah,
games.
I mean, there's Ludo, chess, snake and ladders. I mean, all these games, those are our childhood, right?
Yes.
But then these days, kids, they don't really play board games anymore.
don't.
They're just so hooked to the gadgets.
Yes.
And hence today we have with us Bapak Edi Winoto, the owner of HelloFest's board game class. So Pak Edi, first of all, tell us, this is actually a board game class. How does it work?
Okay, so when we remember on our childhood, we play a lot.
Yes.
When we got home from school, we play with our friends, we play soccer, we play marble, we play tag, and so on. But now, since 1990s, our parents already overprotected of the children play at the street and so on, and because one more internet and gadget all come in the house, so the parents ask their children after school do homework and go inside the home and so on. So because of that, I feel that students nowadays in this last decade have many things to study. 8 hours at school, after that 2 hours at tuition, after that 2 hours after dinner doing homework
That
again
is
and
so
again.
true.
But in our age, we have fun, a lot of fun. So we come here, I and with board game class, we come here to balance it all.
Okay.
So we have the children's stress release.
Yeah.
As they play, they can have many benefits.
Okay, so that's your motivation to have HelloFest. Can
Yes.
you tell us more about the history? When did it all start? How did it start?
Oh yeah, interesting, interesting. So I've been teaching mathematics as a math tutor since 1994.
I see.
Already 30
So you're an
years.
educator at first.
Yes, I'm an educator. So my life, I love math. I love math. When I taught them, they learn well, but many of the students, they ask like this when they go to my tuition center. Mr. Edi, sir, can we play after this?
Oh.
So back 20 years ago, 15 years ago, I had many games like you said, Monopoly, Halma, Congklak. You remember Congklak?
Of course.
I like it.
And we have those bola bekel.
Oh, I used to be so
yes.
good
We
at
used
it.
to,
Yes.
used to be
Yes.
so.
They call me Siska Bekel at one point.
That's a good one, Siska. Okay.
Okay, maybe if you don't know, you
Siska
can ask
Bekel.
Siska. That's very fun.
The champion of the Bekel game.
I provided them all in my house. So the girl want to play, they can play bekel. The boys want to play, they can
Nice.
play chopsa.
I see.
But
Yes.
I had not known about board game.
Okay.
That's 15 years ago.
All right.
So they asked a lot about, can we play?
All right.
Sometimes the students from far away, already 1 hour in their journey come to our learning center, and they still ask. So they are very exhausted, and they still ask, can we play after we
So
learn?
they're looking forward.
Yes.
Instead of just the learning part, they want to play the board game in the
Yes,
end. Yeah.
even I remember some of the senior high school learn 9:30 p.m., learn chemistry, learn physics. After that, I asked them to go home.
Yeah.
They say, give us time to play again.
see.
Huh? What time is this? 9:30. Still want to play. Because of that, the passion of we as a children, as a human being, play is one of our job or our.
Okay.
I see.
And did you find it beneficial, allowing your students to play? Was it beneficial to their studying? Did it make them more studious, better in their studies, you think?
Yes, one thing about board game is it cannot be addicted, but some people can, if they are the collector. But for us, we play one board game just for 2 times, 3 times.
Okay.
I say to my students, the hero is not the board game, the hero is you. As friends, you can play together. If you have a best board game in the world, but if that is not fun because you are not a good person, it will be not fun as well.
So it's actually building your character too when you're playing board game with your friends, right?
Yeah. I remember as well, I asked my top students to play board game.
Okay.
they hesitated.
Oh.
They did not want. But one time, I forced them to play. They are good at math, they are good at memorizing
Yeah.
English and so on.
Okay.
You guess.
In board games?
In board games, they cannot know what to do. They could not know.
Oh.
They did not know how to choose which accent to pick. Even in the collaborative board game, collaboration board
Yeah.
game, and their friends ask them to do this, still they stunned.
Okay. And the students who have less grades are better at the board games.
So correct. So
Oh.
correct. So correct.
So what do you
Yes.
think is the reason
Yeah,
behind
that's
this?
interesting.
Yeah.
Because maybe creativity mind,
I
creativity
see.
mindset, and so on.
Maybe
Okay.
also critical thinking.
Yeah.
Yes.
And communication skill, as we mentioned earlier.
That's true.
It's
Yeah.
It's better rather than we just memorize things, memorize text, and so on.
Ah. So not
Okay.
just book smart, but
Yeah.
board game smart.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, Pak Edi, so you told us before that you used to be an educator in the maths, right? And then now you focus more on board game class. What makes the transition? What
Yeah.
motivates you to create this
Okay.
Hello Faces
Okay.
board game class?
Okay, interesting this one. So for almost the session, the students came,
Okay.
they stress.
Oh.
They're in the stress because many homework,
Yeah.
many, as a parent, come to me, also stress. So what do? I teach math, they stress.
Yeah.
They, yeah, before come stress, after that stress, and so on. So I think my job is create a stress.
Stress environment.
And I scold them a lot because I need a diligent student,
Okay.
disciplined student,
Yeah.
but they cannot follow. We talk about gadget later.
Yeah.
But I ask God, I want to retire. I want to go to this board game class.
Okay.
Because there is overlap, yeah. After 20 years, I taught mathematics.
Yeah.
10 years in 2010, I began to collect board game and I asked them to play. Every Saturday, they play. After that, I saw the people, the students who play board game,
Yeah.
their study go up.
Ah.
Really, because when you learn one board game, when I teach you one board game,
Yeah.
there are maybe 30 rules,
Okay.
50 rules,
Yeah.
and you need to absorb it, right?
Yes.
Wow.
When you already like that, when you go to your class and your teacher teach you something, some new chapter, you can absorb it well.
Okay, that's so interesting.
So it
That's such an
trains
interesting
your mind,
perspective.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So what are these board games that you make your students do that accelerate their grades? I would love to know so I can show them
Because
to my
these days
children.
we're not
Yeah.
just seeing, the typical
Yeah.
classic board game, but
Yeah.
there's so many other board games, right?
Yes, yes.
How many board games are there?
Yeah.
Okay. Monopoly, let's say about Monopoly.
Okay.
I've been asking 1,000 of parents, all they said, we just play Monopoly.
Because that's one of the most popular games,
Yeah.
right?
No,
Oh, no?
not like
Okay.
that, not necessarily like that,
Okay.
because we have a stingy attitude.
Stingy.
Stingy, you say 72,000, the Ludo,
Yeah.
play bought one time, after that play for years, from parents,
see.
from grandparents, parents, child and children. But board game is very expensive. Yes.
Okay.
So I ask you, try to guess. Monopoly rank how many in the world of board game?
Oh, right now?
Yeah, I give you a clue. 100,000 board games ready in the world. Monopoly rank how many? Take a guess, 3 times maybe.
In the top 10?
Top 10? Yeah, I would say top
Yeah.
10.
Up,
Top 3?
up.
Number 1.
Number 1.
No, I mean up. It means
Goes
go
down.
down. Yes,
Okay,
go
okay,
down.
okay.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Top 20 then? 20, 50? I think I'm guessing too many
Yeah,
times
yeah,
now.
we give up. What's the rank?
26,812.
Really?
What does it mean? It means there are 26,000 board games better than Monopoly.
I see.
Okay. I've never been a big fan of Monopoly, if I can be honest, because I always lose. And it feels so frustrating after all the hard work that you do collecting all the
Yeah,
hotels
and
and
then you end
houses.
up bankrupt.
Yeah, I mean, it's so cruel. And I think it shows how consumptive the world is. And I'm not sure that's the values I want to.
I like it. I tell
teach my
them,
kids,
I
yeah.
tell them the theme itself is so destructive.
Yeah.
Monopoly.
Yeah.
You don't care about others.
Yeah.
Go to jail, You
It's
go.
pure capitalism, right?
Yes.
But I thought the idea is to, like, the message you're trying to send for the kids is for them to buy assets, because assets then you will get
That's good.
return of
Yeah,
investment.
that's good. Yeah,
In
you
that
can.
angle, yeah. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah, with that angle.
So
Yeah.
I saw cash flow, if you know, from Robert Kiyosaki, 300 pieces around Indonesia. It teaches
okay.
us adult also students learn to invest.
Oh, interesting. It's called cash
Interesting.
flow.
Cash Flow 101
Okay.
by Robert Kiyosaki.
Can you name us a few board games that are
Yeah.
very popular at the moment?
Yes.
At this moment,
Yeah.
I can say Lost Ruins of Arnak.
Okay.
That's about adventure like Indiana Jones theme.
Oh, okay.
And also I like Hit a lot.
hit a lot.
Hit. You saw the movie Brad Pitt, the F1 Formula
okay.
One.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now the hit is, I like it. I play it for maybe 10 times more with my family, with my instructors, and I planning to play with my students as well as a curriculum,
Okay.
because next September, next week, in Las Vegas, there will be World Series of board game, the 4th year tournament.
Oh, wow.
The price is 375 million rupiah.
Wow.
And last year,
Catchy.
yes, the last year the winner is female,
Really?
playing Splendor.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Have you played Splendor?
Never played Splendor
No.
before. I was just playing Exploding Kittens last night.
Okay.
And I think
Last
it's just
night.
last
Exploding
night.
Kittens?
Exploding Kittens. It's just a very fun
Oh,
card game.
It
and
sounds
it's very
adorable.
Fast.
I heard that you play with your family as well.
Yeah. I like to play board games with my boys.
Oh,
Yeah. It's
that's
fun.
nice.
I always encourage parents to play with their family,
Okay.
but the statistic is mom play with their children more than father.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And I say the best parents, the best teacher is
Yeah.
the ones who play with their children,
Okay.
because we need to take back our children from phone-based play to play-based play,
Okay.
play-based children.
All right.
Tell us how challenging has it been for you to grow Hello Faces here in Jakarta? I mean, how has been the response like from all the parents? Have they been very interested to enroll their kids to Hello Faces, or do you think it's pretty challenging to get people to get back interested in board games?
Yeah, that's very challenging. We have 3 layers. The first layer is for students. The children came to our classes running. After that, they laugh a lot, maybe 10 times in one session,
Okay.
talk a lot with their friends. After that, they don't want to go home. I ask, who pick you up? My grandma. Go home. No, let her up. Let her wait. So from the first layer, children very
Okay.
accepted this
Yeah.
board game class. Now we
Yeah.
go to the second layer is parents.
Okay.
Parents, they think we just buy one game like the free game from iPad, and
Okay.
you can play for hours, for months, for years.
Comes out cheaper, huh? Actually,
No need to pay for the
that's
class.
the temptation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the second, the parents who just focus on their academic,
Okay.
they say, play for what?
Yeah. Yeah,
You
yeah.
study. For them, that is confusing, play at school. But for me, not. We will talk maybe about Finland,
Yeah.
the education at Finland.
Okay.
The third layer is school.
Yeah.
The schools said the after school activity, playing, they still confused. They still confused. They rather go to VR, e-sport, and so on. So these 3 layers, the first layer is so easy, but not for the high school students. For high school students, they don't want to look at us, at our booth, at our exhibition, because the girl already in social media, the boys are already in
Yeah.
gadget.
Gaming.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's one of the biggest challenges, actually. I would imagine it would be hard for parents to persuade the kids who are already into their gadgets to leave their gadgets and, try board games. I mean, you mentioned that once they try it, it's all fun. They want to play it all the time. But how to make the switch, how to
Yeah.
convince them to, ditch the gadgets for a while and let's try something new, board games.
Cannot. I cannot convince them. The
Okay,
one
I
who can
see.
convince them are their friends.
Oh,
Friends.
okay.
Are their friends. When one or two of their friends join our class,
Yeah.
hopefully they can. I ask if you want to ask your friends to come in.
Yeah.
join us, free for them, they can. But if I convince the players, they just see board game like a grandfather play. So easy, so boring, because they already in the hardcore board game like that.
Yeah.
They don't know what are the benefits of this board game world.
So do you first try to convince the kids to join the Hello Faces board game class?
Yes.
Or do you convince the parents?
Yeah.
In my mind, the best is both of them. If I can meet both of them in one exhibition, we will win.
Okay. Now I'm curious to know if you could tell us what would the parents say, especially the ones who are skeptic at first. Why would I enroll my kids in a board game class? I would rather enroll them in some academic class or something that will help their grade. But are there any positive responses from those parents who finally enroll their kids in the board game and they get the benefits of their kids? Please tell us more about that.
The benefits of board game, Let me show you.
Yes, demonstration.
One school, Bu Natalia asked me to make a detective club at his school, SPH.
Okay.
I was very happy because from my young age, I read 100 more detective books. So I learned 30 the best detective board game in the world, and this one is the best. Perspective. In the perspective, in the box there are 12 cases. Each of us, you imagine.
It's interesting.
I'm listening carefully.
3 of us are detectives. We have a case because this one. Let me read for you. Who gave Steve the deadly drink? So Steve Sherwick, the drummer of the acclaimed punk rock band The Dregs, died last night. So 3 of us investigated. After that, we meet in our headquarters. After that, we share our information. So each of us got the card. There are 12 cards here. I will give you 4.
Okay, thank you.
You can look at them.
Wow, this is a real demonstration.
Yeah,
Give you
it
4.
is.
Okay.
And I have 4
So
as
what's
well.
the objective again? Let me see.
Yeah.
Who gave Steve the
Who gave
deadly
Steve the
drink?
deadly drink?
Oh, someone
Yes.
poisoned Steve.
That's
Yes, so
right.
correct, so correct. For the prologue, this is in San Francisco, 10 July 1994.
Okay.
So we begin in our investigation by examining the pictures
Okay.
these fans took.
Yeah.
4 of them show Steve being given a drink. So let's begin. Usually I give them 45 minutes to solve this problem. 45 minutes. We just 1 minute. We just 1 minute.
Okay.
Let's start. When I see this, I ask. I see the new record is there are 3 songs. Lover, It's Time, number 2, All Wing It, number 3, Betty. And I see Brett Jones is the guitar and lead vocals.
Okay.
Jill Crazy is bass guitar. Steve Sherwick, who died, is a drummer.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you see Steve? What he likes?
Steve.
Where's Steve?
Good. Where is Steve?
I don't think I have Steve in my cards.
How can you tell which is Steve?
We cannot tell.
Yeah,
we cannot
right.
tell.
Steve is not
Maybe
here.
we can guess first which one is Steve.
Okay.
Like so. And we need to find clue. And what do you have? What clue do you
mine
have?
says there's an autopsy report right here
okay.
of Steve Sherwick. And the cause of death is arsenic poisoning. And the quantity of ingested arsenic would have manifested as severe symptoms and emesis shortly before that, which occurred 5 hours after ingestion.
5 hours
After ingestion. Okay.
After ingestion. Okay.
So he died 5 hours after he drank.
So correct.
Right?
So correct. I
Okay.
wonder what you got.
I don't know. There's a party by the pool.
You cannot show us.
I cannot show. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So my card shows a party by the pool. There's a bunch of people. They look like musicians, rockers, the
Yeah,
guests.
correct.
But there's like this person who's more well dressed.
Maybe it was the manager, well dressed.
Okay, yeah. And he has a glass and a bottle on each hand.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know. That kind of looks sus. It kind of looks sus. I'm not
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, that's how we play. For 45 minutes.
So you'll be discussing all these clues.
Yeah. Now I talk about the benefits.
Okay.
All right.
You already
So
have
we
a
haven't
picture.
found out
Yeah,
who
no,
killed
we haven't.
Steve.
I want to find out later. Yeah.
You already have the picture how to play this.
Yeah,
Yes.
Now we talk about the benefit. I can say, maybe you can conclude as well. As a student or as a player, as a teacher, we learn the skill about asking good questions. We learn about focus.
Yeah.
We learn about empathy. Take turn when
Yeah.
somebody says something,
Yeah.
we listen. We take note. We do mind mapping. We show our mind mapping to
Okay.
others. What else do you think we can learn from just this one game?
I think you learn to be more analytical.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pay attention. You need to focus on the details
So correct.
and voice your opinions, maybe.
And working within a team.
Yeah.
Collaboration.
Yeah.
Yes, and we can break the group think. I remember the other cases when 3 of our instructors say A, and
Yeah.
all we follow them. We say okay A. Turns out all our answers were wrong.
Oh.
So group think is not good. You know group think. If majority say A, we say oh okay maybe A is right.
Okay.
And we learn also narrative. When we see something, we describe
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
and so on. So many things we can learn. Leadership as well.
Yeah.
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 That's just one board game. If you go to ChatGPT, what
Yeah.
can we learn by playing Ticket to Ride?
Yeah.
It will give you 3 skills. And you go to another board game, it will give you another 3 skills.
I didn't realize there's so much benefits of playing
Yeah.
board games
Yeah.
instead of just, like as you said before, there are so many kids that are smart, book smart, but that when they
Doesn't
get to
mean,
play in
yeah.
a group, they couldn't really play the
Okay.
game and win the game. Pak Edi, I'm just curious, with so many board games out there, why is it that most people only know about the usual board games? you
Yeah.
know?
As I say, the stingy spirit.
Because all these other board games are very expensive.
Yes, that's one. That's one thing.
And we don't really see them being sold here.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Malls, right?
yes. That's one thing. You
Okay.
imagine, one board game you bought for 1 million rupiah. After play 3 times, already boring.
Yeah.
And you imagine the children ask their papa to buy another board game again. Are you kidding me? I just bought one PS5
Yeah.
CD, 750,000 rupiah, and you can play for 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Board game is so expensive.
Okay. So that's one challenge actually.
One challenge. But I have
Make
a
board games
solution.
more popular.
Okay.
I have a
Yes,
solution.
please. Okay.
You want to hear?
Yes, of course. Go
Go ahead
ahead.
and let board games
for
for
this
free.
for this past 1 month, I asked after I read Ancient Generation book by Jonathan Haidt. This book, Ancient Generation, is ranked 2 in the Amazon, the best selling book for 18 months, but now already gone to 3rd place. He said one of the thing is we need to play and play and play and so on. So if we face the gadget, the ancient generation from Gen Z already, the mental illness, the suicide rate and so on, already
wow.
so scary. You can read it. So how I can introduce board game to others, I say to their parents, yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot about your question.
Oh, what's the solution? Because
Yes.
board
Okay,
games are
okay.
very expensive.
Exactly.
How
Oh,
do you
okay,
solve
okay,
this
okay,
issue here in Jakarta?
I say to parents, you can, this is the suggestion from Jonathan Haidt.
Okay.
When 1 or 2 of our children don't play gadget,
Yeah.
they will feel like they are not normal because
They feel left out. Yeah.
they feel left out. But Jonathan Haidt said, you invite 4 or 5 of your child's parents and make an amendment in a paper.
Like an agreement.
Agreement, and you say, I will not give my child gadget for example 3 weeks.
Wow.
5 of them
Sign.
sign up, and
Okay.
they need to tell their children as well. So if their children already known when they got bullied or they got rejected by friends, they can say this. No, I and 4 of my friends also not play. Nah, this one small community already get stronger and stronger.
Okay.
Now we apply to board game. I tell them, Mom, you just buy 1 board game for 1 month, maybe
Okay.
500,000.
Yeah.
And 5 of your community, each of them buy A board game, B, C,
Yes.
D, E, and you play once a week with your family.
Yeah.
After
Yeah.
that, next month you can
change.
change
I
again.
see. That's
the
a
board
great
game lasts
idea.
longer, yeah.
Yes.
And you get to save.
After
Okay.
5 months and at 6 months, maybe you can make a group, 5 of them.
Yeah. Exchange the board games.
Exchange.
Yeah.
No, exchange the
Add
board
more
game
people.
every month. Every
Oh,
month
okay.
exchange. But
Okay.
at the 6th month, you can make a party, board game party, and you play.
Wow.
Oh,
I haven't heard that in a while.
Board game party.
Okay.
yes, becomes
Okay.
cheaper.
Yeah.
Has it been done, this trick? Oh, I think it should.
It's a
yeah.
big
But-
challenge.
Yeah.
But one or two of the parents asked me, how about you do a face group or WhatsApp group? Let's start. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just to start the community,
Yeah.
this board game community. Pak Edi, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there are some board game cafes available in Jakarta too, right?
Yeah.
Maybe this could also be a good solution for kids to
Yes.
get more interested to playing board games.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because my vision since 2010 is family plays together. One thing when you go to board game cafe, not sometimes, but the parents just say, "You play, I go to the mall."
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
the parents say, because this is also expensive, one ticket maybe for whole day, 100,000.
Okay.
You play, I don't. I play this.
Oh,
So
okay.
the engagement is also not good.
Wow.
The third
Okay.
one,
Yeah.
not all the board games in the board game cafe are good. I'm so sorry.
Of course,
Exploding
yeah.
Kitten, the one
Yeah.
I reject as well.
Oh.
So from 80%, the board game, the theme, the mechanics are also not good. The
Okay.
magic theme, ghosts, and so on, fantasy, RPG, I don't touch them
Okay.
all. So when you go to board game cafes, sometimes you don't know which one is the
A
best,
good board
Okay.
games.
good board game or
and
bad board game.
not
You don't
very
know.
good board games.
So
Okay.
if the instructor just bring some game to you to
Yeah.
play and you just accept it and you don't know.
Okay.
things.
How would you know if a board game is good or bad for your child?
Okay.
Ra-
For
Other than the theme, of course.
yes,
Yeah.
for because I'm a teacher
Okay.
and many board games are designed by teacher as well. History teacher, math teacher,
Okay.
English teacher.
Yeah.
So I've spent with my wife and family learn almost maybe more 10,000 hours of board game doing a research.
Oh, wow. You've done your 10,000 hours
I've
in
done
board
my
games.
10,000 hours. I've
Wow.
done since
Okay.
2010. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and until this point, I still amazed about the new board game will come because the mechanics, the theme is so flourishing, so good for us to
Okay.
play. So
Alright.
we do a research. If the mechanic is good, we
Yeah.
see the theme. If the theme is good, after that
Okay.
we bought it, we play it for hours.
Okay.
We learn the rule from YouTube, read a lot, we play it.
When you
Teach
say
it.
the mechanics is good, what do you mean? What kind of game mechanics is considered good?
The game mechanic that I like most is the worker placement.
Okay.
Let me grab one board game, Lewis and Clark.
Okay.
When Thomas Jefferson, the president of America,
Yeah.
asked them to do a expedition to make a map across
Yes.
the America because
Yeah.
they just bought a piece of big land from France.
Yes.
So when we play that game, we are the expedition.
Oh, cool.
You're the
Very cool.
explorers.
We are the explorer. We are the explorer. So when we play that game, we can teach our students about history, about
Okay.
braveness.
Yeah.
So when we do, we need to do many things to make the map, to make the journey success.
Okay.
So you connect with the Indian. You will hire the you will hire the what you say penerjemah,
Okay, translator.
translator, or who you will hire, and so on. Many
Wow.
things involve that. The resource management,
Yeah.
the people hire, and
Okay.
you manage them all.
This is such a
Sounds like a
very
big task.
deep and intricate board game.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is just one
Okay.
theme. There are thousands of themes you can imagine. What do you want to play? You take a guess. There is a board game for you to play. As a
okay.
chef, even this kind of TV,
Yeah.
TV studio, the game is network.
Is it?
Anything
I've never heard of
available.
that game before.
Okay.
Yes.
Network.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can like match it with your child's interest. If he's interested in sports, for instance, or astronomy, something like that,
Yes.
you can then find a board game.
Yes.
There's always a
Yeah.
theme for
Yes, so correct.
any board game.
But if our children played like Fortnite, Roblox, there are no theme. We ask them,
That's
what
true.
will you be when you are adult? They don't know. Maybe they can say, I want to be a gamer, but not with
Yeah.
board game. When your children play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things board game, they can say, I want to be a baker because they just played a restaurant
Yeah,
management.
yeah.
This is so eye-opening for me.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
that's such a
yeah.
good point. Now I'm learning that there is so much more to learn than just having fun with the board games, but your kid learns a lot.
You become an ambassador.
Ambassador
This is
of
the,
board
the
game
second
community.
thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, the second thing. The
I'll
second
be
time
part
I
of the
say to you.
community, Luisa.
Of
I'll
course.
sign up.
Let's start with network game.
So
yeah.
right now, what is the most popular board game in your class currently, right now, in August 2024?
August 2024,
Yeah.
because we just starting for 1 week, I can say, we cannot say many because when in the class, we will bring eight board games
Okay.
for the children to
Oh.
play. They can choose 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Usually in the younger age,
Yeah.
in 160 minutes, they can play 3 games. So
Wow. Well, that's pretty quick. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can
Yeah.
play 3 games in
Yeah.
such a short duration.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the younger
Yeah.
students.
yeah, so there are no such one board game.
Okay.
Is the spotlight.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, Pa Eddie, before we close this
Yeah.
session, can you please share with us your goals for Hello Faces? And
Okay.
what do you expect from Hello
Yeah.
Faces in the future?
Okay.
Your hopes and wishes, lah, Pak Edi.
Yes. So the wish is hopefully we can bring the best board game, education board game for our children, our generation, so they can develop their critical thinking, collaboration, and leadership skill. That is the first. The second, my wish is I want to see many family engage again, bonding again, get rid of the gadget, online thingy. Once a week, you can play together with your family.
Right.
Yeah.
That is the second one.
Once a week.
Yeah.
We start from once
Yeah.
a week.
The third one, hopefully, many Gen Z or whoever, including us and adult,
Yeah.
we need to get rid of less and less playing
Yeah.
gadget game or so on.
Yeah.
Those are my wishes.
Okay. So it's more about more interaction, people-to-people
Physical
interaction,
Yes.
instead of just, solitary moments with your
Yes.
personal gadgets, right?
So correct. So
Yeah.
correct.
That is one big challenge
Yeah.
that our generation,
Yes,
our
yes.
kids are facing
Yeah.
now.
And maybe this is one of my idea
Yeah.
already 5 years. Maybe in the studio,
Okay.
I don't know TVRI or what.
Yeah.
Maybe you remember Family Feud or Family 100?
Family Feud, yeah, I love
Remember,
that show,
maybe
yeah.
one day we
Yeah.
can do that. Family and family play together. Maybe they can collaborate, or they can versus maybe
yeah,
once
yeah,
a month.
yeah.
Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see.
Family battle.
It's good to have that dream right there.
Family battle.
Keeps you motivated. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Pak Edi, for sharing with us your story, your insights, your motivation, inspiration. It is so eye-opening to learn so much about board games. Thank you,
Yeah,
Pak Edi.
thank you so much for having me.
Thank you,
Thank
Pa
you.
Eddie.
Thank you.
And all the success for you.
Yes.
And we are also very inspired. And maybe when we
Yeah.
get home, we can start Googling of all these board games that we've never heard of, Siska.
Definitely. I'll
Yeah.
go to the nearest bookstore to find all the board games I can find to play with my kids. It'll be fun
Okay.
to reconnect with them
Once
and
a week?
learn more.
Start from once a
We'll
week.
start once a week.
Reconnect. There you go. All right, and that ends our session of Starting Point today. Thank you so much for watching us. I'm Luisa Kusnandar.
And I'm Siska Becker. I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.